I'll start the evening with reading out a message from Dr. Jayaraman, and it says, आदरणीय श्री ज्ञानेश्वर मूले जी, आज स्थानीय प्रवासी भारतीय समाज भारत लौटने वाले आपको विदाई देने के लिए यहाँ एकत्र हुआ है। इस समय हम सबके मन में दुख तो होता है, किंतु ये जानकर आनंद भी होता है कि दिल्ली में रहते हुए आपको समग्र विश्व में फैले हुए प्रवासी भारतीयों का हित साधने की विशिष्ट सेवा का भार सौंपा जा रहा है। यह अत्यंत व्यापक दायित्व है जो आपकी क्षमता के अनुरूप है। आपको इस क्षेत्र में संपूर्ण सफलता मिलेगी। हम सब की मंगल कामनाएं आपके साथ है। माँ भारती की भरपूर कृपा आप पर बनी रहे, यही हमारी प्रार्थना है। शुभम भवतु, मंगलम भवतु। शुभास्ते संतु पंथानाः। Jayaraman.
And he put this place as a like a family type, you know what I mean? You know, every consulate came in the whole history. I'm coming here like over 30 years. And when you enter in the temple, this is like a temple, you know what I mean? He built up that way. So many events happen. You can see that. And every association is supported. And people are doing whole activity. If you go outside and do one event, cost mucho dinero, means a lot of money, you know what I mean? A lot of money is cost. And he's giving open the door for the people. And I salute him. And the new consulate come, he can do the same thing. So good for us, you know what I mean?
He has been jolly good fellow. At professional level, he has been exemplary. As his name suggests, Ambassador Mule is thinker, philosopher, whose sagacity has guided all his action, interaction, and policies. He has made dramatic changes at consulate, consular service which have been in chaos before he arrived, have now been totally professionalized. He has streamlined and optimized all other services at consulate. But even more impressive is the fact that he transformed the consulate into epicenter of intellectual, cultural, professional hub to enhance profile of India in United States.
And it has been said, when Dhumketu comes, when the comet comes, you see them early in the morning with a long tail, and you see the sprinkle of the angel dust at the tail of those comets. Those people come in the life, sprinkle you with those angels' dust. Sometimes we realize, sometimes we don't. And in my life, I am very proud to say that Mule Sahib came. Many people have come. But he came in my life and in Rashmi's life, in all of our life. And I'm looking around in the community. Mule Sahib came as a comet, as a Dhumketu, and sprinkled us with that angel dust. And this is life, is a journey, just goes on. Mule Sahib came, Mule Sahib left, going. It is just like a dream. When he came, we thought about him, how wonderful person he is. He's involved with everything in community. It's about not just our community, in so many communities. So Mule Sahib, thanks for coming in our life. You will always be remembered. Today is the best day, the Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day to all of you. And I will just say one little poem, if you can remember a couple of lines. Mule Sahib, कविता में है तुम, लेकिन वैसे मुझे आप बोलूँगा, तुम चले जाओगे पर थोड़ा सा यहाँ भी रह जाओगे। जैसे रह जाती है पहली बारिश की बाद हवा में धरती की सौगंध सी गंध, जैसे रह जाती है पहली बारिश के बाद हवा में धरती की सौगंध सी गंध, भोर के उजास में थोड़ा सा चंद्रमा, पोर खत्म हो गई, चंद्रमा भी चला गया, लेकिन उसका उजास अभी भी रह जाता है। खंडर हो रहे हैं मंदिर में, जो मंदिर खंडर हो रहे हैं, खंडर हो रहे हैं मंदिर में, अनसुनी प्राचीन नुपुरों की झंकार। तुम चले जाओगे मुले साहब, पर थोड़ी सी हंसी, आंखों की थोड़ी सी चमक, तुम्हारा ये अपनापन और तुम्हारा ये प्यार यहीं रह जाएंगे, यहीं रह जाएंगे। हैप्पी वैलेंटाइंस डे।
I've been on the phone with him more times than most of you have been, I think. We haven't worked together very much, but on the phone we've always worked together. So when I came here, it was a pleasure to meet my old friend here, and I was very happy that he would be here for a longer time while I was here. Unfortunately, he had to move on, but unfortunately for me, but fortunately for him, because he goes back to a very important assignment in Delhi. He's going back to an assignment which is in some ways very crucial for the Ministry of External Affairs, integrating the diaspora back into a system from which they had been certain different movement away. So always integrating the diaspora is a difficult thing, as all of you know. I am very fortunate that I deal with only 193 countries. I don't deal with representatives of such a large Indian diaspora here. So with his experience, I'm certain when he goes back, he will certainly do his best, and all he takes back from what all of you have said are very good memories. My memories, as I said, are very pleasant of him, and I'm certain when he goes back, get ready, from the track record that he has had, things will hot up even there too. I wish him all the best there.
Ambassador Millet, during your time here, you've taken, whether it's a legislator, whether it's contributors to society like the men and women in this room, whether it's Americans or foreigners, you've become their friend. You've taken an interest in their personal lives. You've taken interest in what's of importance to them, their constituents. In my case, in my line of work as a legislator, it's the mundane. It's things like visas and consular services. And he took the mundane as seriously as the not so mundane when he was responsible for hosting Prime Minister Modi. You make me proud to be an Indian American, and I look forward to staying in touch. And God bless you in your service to your country, and thank you in what you've done for mine.
On behalf of Governor Baker and the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, I wish you warm congratulations on your upcoming assignment within the Indian Foreign Ministry. Reflecting on the recent activities between the Consulate and Massachusetts Office of International Trade and Investment, I also express our deep appreciation for your work in strengthening the relationship between Massachusetts and India. After our successful Doing Business in India event last year and subsequent meeting and visits, I believe the partnership between India and Massachusetts is stronger than ever due to your tenure at the consulate. Best wishes in your new post, and we hope that you will return to Massachusetts again in the future.
And what a day you have picked up, Valentine's Day, to say goodbye. I mean, who says goodbye on the Valentine Day? Not many. You know, in the North India, we say in Punjabi, मैं होके वापस आता हूँ. We never say, you know, मैं चलता हूँ. मैं होके वापस आता हूँ. So I hope whenever you come back next time, all the people who are in this room will be invited again to celebrate the reunion. Thank you.
Mr. Gyaneshwar Mule, the writer, the poet, the diplomat, and in Punjabi we say, Yaran da Yar, a very great friend. As a journalist, I have had so many occasions to express my difference of opinion with him over certain affairs, but I have always found this man to be a compromising man, to be a man who tries to understand the other's viewpoint, And the greatest thing that he has done, and that is the legacy which you are leaving, Mr. Mule, you have created a bond between all Indian Americans here and the consulate forever. You have gone out to them, consulate at the doorstep people. Great thing you have done.
All I'm going to say that I'm not here to say Alvida to you. I'm here to say see you again in New York, right in this place. That's what I'm here to convey my message. My job in a community is one thing, that community, whenever the community had a tremendous difficulty in securing the consular services, they keep calling me, the organization, and other people also. So I requested Ambassador Mule to have a very special meeting on many, many occasions. And he was I'm kind of a person to set up all the meetings, and we adjourned this meeting with nothing but the fruitful meeting. And whatever problem we put it on his table were resolved very quickly. So ladies and gentlemen, give a big round of applause to him.
The Global Organization of People of Indian Origin, GOPIO International, recognizes Ambassador Daneshwar M. Mule, Consul General of India, New York, for outstanding service to the Indian American community and enhancing relations with United States of America. Presented by Ashok Ramsaran, President GOPIO International.
If the Indian diaspora globally has been given to you, that may be the hardest thing you've ever dealt with. So wish you the very best. And I think it was Ramesh Patel who said, the Iron Man of the United States, who said that, start from here.
The good thing that, I have realized in the last, few years, that our country itself is going through a huge transformation and transition. And we all are happy to be part of that transformation. Prime Minister Modi, as you would have realized, is actually given us a very substantive and big agenda. So there's a lot that we need to do. Our country has come a long way, but also there are so many things that we need to do. My heart, I know each of you almost individually, and we have worked in some capacity somewhere together, and there are many outside this hall who also made my life richer in so many different ways. Please convey my gratitude to everybody, because I know that I'm not going to able to say goodbye to everybody, because it's not a goodbye, but just thank them on my behalf. Thank you very much, and see you again.
Share your impressions about him.
He was wonderful. It was great to have him here. I felt like the door was always open to the consulate. And as I said to him, वो हिंदी में बोलते मैं होके वापस आता हूँ. So I hope we'll have a reunion with him.
Mule ji is very close to my heart. It's very difficult to describe. One of the salient moments in my life was, as everybody knows, was the Carnegie Hall concert that Gyaneshwar Mule ji was so kind to introduce. And, that went on to do great things for me. So he is part and parcel of my life, my emotions, my well-being, and, I have nothing but immense respect and praise for a man who has really changed the landscape of the Indian in America, and of course the consulate here in New York City.
So there is so much to say about you, Mule ji, but I'm also reminded when somebody asked Tagore, I think he said about Swami Vivekananda, that if you want to know India, read Vivekananda, everything about him is positive, and looks like you have demonstrated a lot of positive ideas and positive way of embracing life. Share your thoughts on today's occasion when all of us feel that we are going to miss your presence very much.
Yeah, well, I think, as I mentioned, I'm sad too, because I'll miss all of you. But I'm looking forward really to building a better bridge between the diaspora, global diaspora, overseas Indians in whatever form and wherever they are, with India. This engagement is extremely important for both the diaspora as well as for India. And I'm going to take it forward big time.
So for our viewers, please tell us about your new role, and there are chances that this new role would also bring you back to New York quite frequently.
Well, yes, I hope so. It should, any role, wherever I am, I cannot forget this city and the love and the goodwill that I have received here. I'll continue to cherish in my new job. Hopefully, I will be dealing with the overseas Indians worldwide. So in a way, I will be able to play some role in improving, enhancing and upgrading the engagement of overseas India with the land of their origin, India.
I think working with media is an interesting exercise, challenge, and it has its own joy. Gentlemen, being from the media, I want in your presence to share how media has felt working with you.
कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जिनके मन में प्रेम, स्नेह और लोगों के सहयोग के अलावा और कुछ नहीं होता है. Mule ji is one of the rare person. All he has is love and affection for everyone, about the community, about the individuals, about the nation, about his own services. I haven't seen any other person in the consulate who was so dedicated not only to his chair but to the each and every person of our community. Mule sahab, you will be well missed and we wish you well. Please come home. This is your home. You are always you are welcome back every time.
Any tips for the media, Indian media here?
No, Indian media is doing very well, but maybe they could. They are currently focusing on Indian American events. They could perhaps try and do more events with India. Improving the ties with the media in India, increasing the coverage of the living India, the changing India, the transforming India. If that can be done, I think it will be a great service.
Well, Ambassador Mule is one of our senior most diplomats from India. He is somebody who has carved a niche for himself by focusing on Indian community affairs wherever he's gone. He goes back to Delhi for a very important responsibility in which he will also be working with the Indian diaspora closely. So I'm certain his experience in New York will serve him good. We all wish him well because he is also a dear colleague who's done very well in engaging the Indian community and diaspora in New York.
And since this is my first chance to talk to you, very briefly, what way you expect Indian community to work with you as you start becoming acclimatized in New York with your new position?
Well, the Indian community is always an asset for every Indian diplomat because they have been here for long. They represent India in its various facets, and therefore, as diplomats, we tend to work with Indian community wherever we are. At the United Nations, there are a lot of things that are happening for the first time this year. For example, the United Nations will, for the first time this year, have Indian holidays for Indian festivals. There will be Diwali holiday, there will be Baisakh, and also Guru Parab. So if we have to make that a success, we will work with the Indian community here to try and ensure that for the first time when this has happened in the history of the United Nations, such holidays will bring to the United Nations a flavor of India too.
प्रेम भंडारी जी, एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण अवसर था यहाँ कॉन्सुलेट में और एक सबके आत्मीय बनकर रहे मुले जी जब भारत जा रहे हैं. आपके भी वो काफ़ी करीब रहे, आपने उनके साथ कुछ बहुत सकारात्मक कार्य किए. कैसा आपको लग रहा है और उनके बारे में क्या आप कहना चाहेंगे?
एडो है साहब कि ज्ञानेश्वर मूले साहब वाकई जमाने स्पेशल सीजी अटे रहा है. जयपुर फूड एक संस्था है जीरो मैं अमेरिका में कार्यकर्ता हूँ. उन वास्ते भी मैं 2 जना मिलने बहुत काम करियो. कोल्हापुर में 450 लोगों का कैंप लगायो. अबे आप अटू जा रिया है तो अच्छो नहीं लाग रही है, पर एक बात अच्छी लाग रही है कि जिन पद माथे जा रिया है तो अबार तक तो 10 राज्यों रे माने आप देखो कौंसल एट योर डोर कई प्रोग्राम करिया. उनमें 10 राज्यों रा भारतीय अप्रवासी भारतीय ने खूब अच्छो लागो और वाणी कई समस्याओं का समाधान करियो. पण हमें जिन जगह माते जा रिया है ए पूरा विश्व भर में फैलियोड़ा अप्रवासी भारतीयों रो ए ध्यान रखेला. आ तो एक बात हुई. दूसरी बात आप देखो कि बहुत ही सकारात्मक सोच रहा व्यक्ति है. आप देखो कि इन कॉन्सुलेट माने इन तरह लाला 3 साल में लागो कि जैसे वो कॉन्सुलेट हर भारतीय रो है और अठ महसूस हो तो कई कार्यक्रम होता सब वास्ते द्वार खोल दिया. तो बहुत उम्मीद है मैंने. और ना केवल जैसा बार मैंने कुछ लोगों सीजी साहब कह रिया है तो मैं राजस्थान हूँ. राजस्थान सोलर रे माने बहुत मोटो हब है वो कैलिफोर्निया बन सके. तो बार बात कर रहा है, तो मैं लोगों ने आमंत्रित भी कर रही हूँ भाई आओ राजस्थान, और राजस्थान में निवेश करो, वैसे तो पूरे देश में निवेश करो, तो बहुत चौको लागो। जारी आए उन्हें दुख है, पर आ बात री बहुत खुशी है कि उठे जा रहे पूरो विश्व रे माने फैलियोड़ा हिंदुस्तान यार वास्ते सकारात्मक रूप से अच्छा काम करेला। जय राजस्थान, जय राजस्थानी।
क्या बात, जय राजस्थान, जय राजस्थानी के साथ जय भारत प्रेम जी के साथ कहते हुए मैं इनकी बधाई इनको बधाई इस बात के लिए देना चाहूँगा कि वो अपने नाम को सार्थक करने वाले हैं। वो प्रेम से जुड़ते हैं, जोड़ते हैं सेवा कार्यों में, सकारात्मक रचनात्मक कार्यों में। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुभकामनाएं। मुले जी का जो कार्यकाल रहा, तो क्या विशेष बात आपको लगी जिसमें उनके होने से कुछ नयापन रहा हो?
देखिए अशोक भाई, अधिकारी आते रहते हैं और उनका काम जो होता है वो जनता की और एनआरआईज़ के लिए काम करना, जो उनको डिप्यूट किया जाता है जिस काम के लिए। लेकिन कुछ अधिकारी बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, कुछ अधिकारी एक्स्ट्रा अपनी उनकी क्रेडेंशियल्स इस्तेमाल करके और रीच आउट करके लोगों से मिलते हैं और इंडियंस का और काम करते हैं। तो हमारे साथ मुले साहब ने जो इस कम्युनिटी के लिए, इंडियन कम्युनिटी के लिए जो काम किया है वो बहुत काबिल तारीफ़ है। और उनका जो प्रोग्राम, जो आउटरीच वाला प्रोग्राम था, मीटिंग विद द local leaders, local politicians, and making the bridge between Indians and American, so वो was a very commendable work मेरे ख्याल से। और उन्होंने बहुत कम्युनिटी को, सारी कम्युनिटी को लेके चले, सारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को लेके चले, सारे धर्मों को लेके चले। तो वॉज वेरी हमारे लिए अफसोस की बात है कि वो अपने जा रहे हैं, लेकिन इट्स अ प्रोसेस, और हम आशा करेंगे कि जो अफसर आए, इन्हीं की तरह के अफसर आए और वो भी कम्युनिटी के लिए काम हुए।
मुझे लगा कि एक ऐसा व्यक्ति एक ऐसे महत्वपूर्ण ओहदे पर भारत से आया जिसके भीतर सचमुच भारत की सांस्कृतिक आत्मा के स्पंदन, जिसके द्वारा हम तक पहुंचते रहे। और वे स्वयं एक लेखक के रूप में अपनी पहचान पहले से भी उनकी प्रतिष्ठा उस रूप में रही है। और उनकी एक पुस्तक माटी, पंख और आकाश के एक संदर्भ को लेते हुए 4 पंक्तियां जो मैंने उनको समर्पित की थी, आप सबके साथ बांटना चाहता हूं। और उनके साथ पंक्तियों के पहले आप सब पूरे दिल से यहाँ उपस्थित हैं, ऐसा भाव इस सभागार में हम सब की अनुभूति तक पहुँचता है। और वो आपके साथ आपका उत्साह वर्धन करेगा। और भारत से दूर रहकर आप भारत माँ के आशीर्वाद यहाँ से लेकर जा रहे हैं मुले जी। 4 पंक्तियां। बढ़े जिस भाव से बस में बैठी बुढ़िया के खुरदुरे हाथ, ये उनकी पुस्तक के एक संदर्भ से जुड़ा है, जिन्होंने पढ़ी है वो समझ रहे होंगे। बढ़े जिस भाव से बस में बैठी बुढ़िया के खुरदुरे हाथ, उस स्पर्श में कितने आयाम उद्घाटित हुए एक साथ। न जाने क्यों पढ़ते पढ़ते हो गई अश्रु की बरसात। संजोए है माटी, पंख और आकाश, सूक्ष्म संवेदनाओं की सुंदर रसमय सौगात। लिए आप तक आभार और प्यार पहुंचाने का उतावलापन प्रेषित कर रहा, गालों पर शाश्वत स्पर्श लिखकर गई लकीरों का भीगापन। सादर नमस्कार।